Most website chatbot fail because of one simple reason. They only give fixed and robotic replies. If a customer asks something slightly different, the chatbot gets confused and the conversation becomes frustrating. But what if your WhatsApp chatbot could actually understand the customer questions and reply intelligently like a real human assistant? If that sounds useful, then you are in the right place, because in this tutorial I'll show you how to connect a fully automated WhatsApp AI assistant to your website so it can generate smart human-like responses automatically. And the best part, you can do this without coding using Pabbly Chatflow. So without wasting any time, let's get started. See, this is the simple website that I have created without any AI assistant. And now this is the same that I integrated with AI assistant. Now for making this connection, we are going to use the AI assistant feature that are present inside Pabbly Chatflow. For coming in this page, open a new tab and search for Pabbly pabbly.com/chatflow. See, this is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool that can automate WhatsApp messages and responses 24/7 for your different type of businesses. With the help of this tool, you can create chatbots, AI assistant, WhatsApp broadcast, and many more. So this is the best tool that I have ever used for creating a WhatsApp AI assistant. Now, if you are new to Pabbly, then you will click on sign up free option. And you know what is the craziest part? Once you do this, you will receive 100 free credits every month to explore the software, which is perfect for testing. But if you are an existing user just like me, then click on the sign in option and go towards the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. So this is the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, and on the left hand side you will see the multiple features. For creating an AI assistant, you have to go in this feature. So this is the AI assistant feature of Pabbly Chatflow. Here you can train your AI assistant with knowledge base to answer common questions. Yes, you can train your AI assistant by using your own business data, and it gives replies to your users accurately, professionally, just like a real agent. So for creating a new assistant, you just have to click on this plus add AI assistant button and give your AI assistant a name according to your business. I have already created some, so I'll directly open this one. See, this AI assistant is specially designed for healthcare. It can use for clinics, hospitals, or daycare centers. The setup of the assistant is the easiest thing. You just have to select the instructions type from here. As soon as you can select the instruction, it will automatically generate the instructions in this box. You can also customize it. Instructions defines how the AI should behave and how AI assistant will give replies to your user. In simple terms, these are the rules that AI assistant needs to follow. After that, the temperature. Temperature controls the creativity level of AI assistant, as lower temperature gives stable and accurate values, while high temperature gives creative and flexible responses. Now comes to the most important part. Here you just have to select the model provider as OpenAI. After that, select the model from here that I am selecting as GPT-4o mini. It will provide you multiple types of models. You can select it according to your choice. Next, it is asking me to enter the API key. So for getting this API key, you just have to click on this OpenAI API keys page link. It will directly take you to the OpenAI platform. Here you just have to click on this plus create new secret key button. Next, the name is an optional. You can give it if you want to. After that, select the project and give the permission, and simply click on this create secret key button. And this is how easily you can get your API key. Here I want you to know that for generating this API key, your OpenAI account is need to be paid. You just have to simply copy this API key from here and paste it in this field. So this is how easily you can get your OpenAI API key. After that, just click on this connect button. See, OpenAI key is saved successfully. After that, the assistant settings, you can set this according to your own needs. I have already created a separate detailed video of how you can do the setup of this amazing automated AI healthcare assistant. If you want it, then comment it. I will share the video link with all of you guys. Moving forward, this is the most important part of doing the setup of AI assistant. Here you just have to upload the knowledge base file. I have already uploaded one by the name of AI healthcare assistant knowledge base. See, this is the same file that I have already created before. For creating a knowledge base file, you can use Google Docs. I have designed this inside it. Make sure the knowledge base file includes all of your business data, as this works like a brain for your AI assistant. With knowledge base, AI assistant gives business specific and accurate replies, but without knowledge base, AI assistant gives general responses. So for sending more professional replies, the knowledge base file is used. For uploading it, you just have to click on this option, click on this add new file, and just upload the file from your gallery. The file size should be less than 90 MB, and the accepted formats are .txt or .pdf. There is no page limit for text PDF, but if the PDF has images, then it is limited to 10 pages. After that, the assistant interface. Here you can give design to your assistant. The change you have make in this field is going to be appear here like this. So basically, this is the final look of the assistant that are going to visible in front of your user. I have entered all the content by my choice, and I have designed this as a dummy example. You can customize it completely based on your own business. Next one is the styling. Here you can give style to your assistant by making changes in its themes, colors, and shape. After doing the complete setup, you just have to enable this toggle and click on the Save Your Assistant button. So this is how easily you can do the setup of your assistant by using Pabbly Chatflow. As again and again I am saying that I have already created a separate detailed tutorial of how this assistant will works in real time and how you can do this setup inside Pabbly Chatflow. If you want it, then comment it. I will share the video link. After doing this setup, now comes to the most interesting part, that how you can add this assistant inside your websites just like this. So for that, you just have to click on this embed option and it will provide you the code of this AI assistant. You have to copy the code and paste that code inside your website page code. So now I am going to take you to my notepad where I have entered the code of this website, as this website does not contains any AI assistant. See, this is the code. You just have to scroll down and at the end, before closing the script tag, you just have to paste the code that you have copied. Here I have pasted. As I already designed this website before for my choice, so I am removing this script from here to terminate the repetition. Here I have removed and I successfully pasted that code here. Now I am going to save this lead form. See, the form has been saved successfully. Now I am again opening this form in my Chrome browser. See, this is the same form, and see, automatically AI assistant is going to be added inside my website. This is the same AI assistant that I have designed here. So this is how easily by just few clicks you can add the AI assistant inside your website. It also directly communicates with the users, give them instant response 24/7 without you touching your phone. This assistant will work in real time and solves all of your users' query. If you face any difficulties or you have any questions while doing this setup, then feel free to ask us in the comment section. And not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp AI assistant for your own business. I have taken this as a complete example because my objective was only to understand you the logic behind this setup. Once you understand the process, you will create any type of WhatsApp AI assistant. So if you like this tool and you want to create the same, then go and purchase it by using my coupon code MEHYT and get an exclusive discount on both yearly and lifetime Pabbly plans. So this is all for today. I'll see you in the next video. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.